Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Sister Trinity. In this video I'm just going to show you guys how to grill tilapia. We are doing tilapia to the fish, and I've already washed it. What I need to do, I'm just going to cut it a bit open so that the sauce can go inside properly. I want the sauce to go inside, so it's already clean and washed. So that's what I want. I'll do the same thing to this one. Yeah, like this. Yes. I already washed it. I like the head. I'll just leave everything like this. I'm not cutting anything away. So I have ingredients I'm going to use here. I have sweet pepper, and I have the Maggi. I'm just going to put the Maggi. This is the one I blend now. The ginger and the garlic and everything I blend. That is it. The next step I'm going to do now. This is the tray I'm going to use before I even dress it up. What I want to do, this oil, I'm just going to use the oil to brush it. Why I'm doing this, so that the fish will not stick when I'm turning it. So I have to use the oil to rub it. Okay, that is it. I'm just going to keep this side one side, and here is the fish. So I'm just going to what I blend now, I'm going to start putting it to use it to dress it, and I like it to be more inside, to have more of this sauce inside. As I'm doing this, I'm just going to cut it. Sorry, I forgot to do that. To cut it because I want the sauce to go inside. I'm going to do the same here. So I'm just going to let the sauce go inside. Put it inside, enough inside, so just leave it like that. So I'm just going to drop it in the tray. Then I'm going to do the second one like that. Use the sauce to see the hole. Make sure that it's inside properly. Just going to put inside. I like the sauce to be much inside. Just going to add a little oil to the pan. Then this is the onions I cut earlier on. Leave it to fry for some time. I'm not going to allow it to cook so much. This is just like that. I'm just going to add Maggi, 1 Maggi cube, the curry, first I'm going to put in the sweet pepper. Add a little salt to the taste. Sea salt we're using. What I put here is just onions, 1 Maggi cube, curry powder, and sweet pepper. Just going to leave it to fry for at least for 2 minutes or highest 5 minutes, depends what you want. You don't want it to be so cooked, you can leave it for 2 minutes. Otherwise 5 minutes is okay. I just brought it out now from oven. What I need to do here, I'm just going to turn it. Be very careful here. I'll put it in the oven again. Before I do that, this is coconut oil. I'm just going to brush it with little coconut oil. I'll put it back for about 2 minutes. Okay. Take it back to result. So initially I use the frying method, but you can use salad to eat yours if you want. I like salad. This is actually what I'm going to eat. It's just nice. Look at it. I'm just going to remove the salad and take a bit of it. Lovely. That looks so good. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.